I'm doing a mukbang video, and I know that sounds like a nasty porno, but it's not. What's good, Boom Crew? This is Annie Boom Fanning on the ones and twos. This is my hair. It's dry now. I washed it today. Anyways, I'm doing a mukbang video, and I know that sounds like a nasty porno, but it's not. It's just when people eat and talk shit. Let me tell y'all something. The fact that I have to use the lighting from this window annoys me. I live too close to the curb, and people could literally see me. So, let's hope the outside traffic isn't too bad. Shit. Can you see me better? Oh, let me tell y'all what I got. I got some, damn, I microwave this shit. Because I like to heat my food up. Right after I buy it, I'll heat that shit. I'll reheat it. I have to. I have to have my food hot. And I fuck around. And I fucking melted the plastic on the shit. Okay. This is what I got. Crawfish with pepper sauce. I went to Lolo's Seafood Spot. It's over there by 116th Street in Harlem, New York. For those of you who are not from here before. Look at this. Look at this shit. One, bitch. Okay. Alright, so my setup right here is like so fucking ghetto. I got a Smirnoff strawberry wine cooler. I don't know if y'all see. I already took a little sip. And let's get this show on the road, honey. I love eating, yo. So when I found out that you could fucking eat on YouTube and people actually watch, shit, my shit about to fall. I was like, bitch, what? I could do that shit all day. Shit, I was watching Wendy's eating show. Don't even ask me why. I literally watch people eat. But it's because I judge how they eat. People eat wrong. Anyway, let me tell y'all this bullshit. These motherfuckers gave me what? This is crawfish and sausage. And it literally looks like they only gave me 2 pieces of fucking sausage? Oh no. No, I'm not happy about this shit. Cause this is like chips. Crawfish is like fucking chips. You just snack. Like I wanted some fucking sausage. What's the problem? And then not all of them is covered in the sauce. I got the order with the let me just put them on the side right there. That's it. I'm gonna show you how to eat that. Sometimes the whole thing come out, but what I ate was like the little body that be in here. Shit. People walking past and shit. These look like little lobsters. They good, but if the meat don't come out the tail, you don't rip it hard or whatever. You just crack the shell. That's the little booty meat. And you pull it out and you eat it. I honestly cannot believe that they only gave me 2. Yo, I'm about to go on fucking Yelp, yo. I said, could you add sausage? Why would you add only 2 pieces of sausage? I don't fucking understand. I'm a big bitch. I'm like 2 something. I mean, I'm tall, so the weight distributes easily. But come on now. Oh, y'all saw that? Bitch, the whole piece came out. Where'd my napkin go? Fuck that napkin. Oh, this shit getting spicy, bitch. Don't ask who I'm calling a bitch. I just like that word. I know it's not a good word, but... Oh, look at my hair. My shit is popping, boo. I'm sorry. Yes, hunty. Yes. Matter of fact, that's a good fucking thumbnail. Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture with a whole crawfish. Stop being a cheap bitch. Okay, I got it. Oh, all right. Yeah, so when I found out you can eat and people actually watch these videos, at first, get got low cold. It's fucking hot. 80 something degrees today. I'm like, bitch, that's my fucking dream job. I'm in my head like, should I do a whole fucking other channel just to eat on YouTube? Yeah. Seriously. There we go. For all the fucking meat. Like I was saying, when I saw Wendy's eating show, I'm like, this girl is so cute. Like, she's like cute. Like, she's a big chunky girl. She got dimples. She love her some hot Cheetos. She's sitting there putting hot Cheetos on everything. Shit. I thought she was gonna sprinkle some hot Cheetos on the fucking frappe, that new unicorn frappe. I would be surprised she did it already, shit. And I'm reading the comments and shit, and I'm like, and there was so many people that was so nice to her, whatever, and then I was looking at her other videos, and I was reading the comments, and the comments were so nasty. I'm like, people, what's wrong? You don't have to click on the fucking video. You don't. Like, seriously. If anybody look up and they see me sucking a booty on these fucking crawfish, they're gonna be like, yo, that lady from the first floor. Crazy. You know you can feel people looking at you? That's why I try not to stare at people down there, cause I feel like once I look at them, they're gonna look at me, and then I'm gonna look at them, and they're gonna look at me, and I'm gonna be like, the fuck? I can't do a mukbang in my fucking window, bitch. I call these little Mr. Crabs. I'm lying. No, Mr. Crab is a crab. These look like baby lobsters. This is how I eat them. My little boo thing taught me how to eat them, because what I was first doing was breaking it, sucking the juice from the body, and then, but I find you get more juice this way. Juice out of it. If this was soft, I'll eat the whole shit. Just like that. Krakata, krakata. I have a paper towel. I don't know where the fuck it went. Yeah, so I'm about to finish busting this down or whatever. I don't think I'm gonna have enough space in my phone. to record this whole thing. Look at this shit. This shit already broken. They give me 2 sausages, and then they give me fucking crawfish with the the booty part missing. Like, everything. I'm not trying to hear that shit. Anyways, my nose is running. This is spicy, but to me, it's nothing. If you get this, and you get the pepper sauce, you might die. Y'all like my tattoo? A little wine cooler ain't never hurt nobody. I need to stop drinking. Bitch is getting a belly. Proceeds to take another sip. Anyways, y'all, let me eat one more for y'all. If anybody's watching this, why y'all watch this? I know why I watch people eat. I like to see people enjoy food. And I judge them on how they chew. Anyway, look at that. I'm sorry. I know that's not classy, but that sauce is hitting, honey. I'm trying to show you my food. Anyways, let me finish busting this down and get out of this window. So these people start stalking me and shit. Deuces! Hope you enjoyed. Get in my belly.